Alright kids, we made it to Ton Tann Market after that narrow escape from the crazy dog. I hear live music in the back. I'd like to check out some local music. Whoa, and some local food. Heck yeah. Sweat the cab! Sweat the cab! So this place is open from 4 p.m. until 11 p.m. And it looks like they have pretty much everything you could possibly want in a Thai food market. Sweat the cab? Always meat on a stick. Very nice. Sweat the cab. Alright, Mac. What a great nightlife, man. This is what I have to look forward to in my retirement. Heck yeah. Take me home to the place I belong. Thailand. Home to the place I belong. That looks delicious. Delicious. Okay. The smells in this place are almost overwhelming. I'm drooling. Holy cow. Now I've got Country Road stuck in my head. To the place I belong in Thailand. Isan Mama, take me home. Thailand Road. So I hear some local music in the background. Let's find that. This is what I have to look forward to, is going to night markets and buying food to cook at home for myself. This is what I really want. I'm going to be showing you guys markets and night markets all over Thailand on my travels. Friday night content, man. This is a blast. Alright, my God. Whoa. Pretty good. Everybody mate? Good. Get your nails done? Huh? Really cool. It's basically an outdoor mall with everything you need. Right? So these are all over Thailand. Even in small villages, they have a night market where you can get anything you want. What I'm looking for at this particular night market, or any night market, is more of these shirts, the micro polyester. I don't bring cotton shirts to Thailand. They're way too hot. Again, everything you need. And a lot of crap you don't need. The ever popular elephant pants. Elephant skirt. This is actually great. Just wanted to show you guys the Ton Tann Night Market. So if you're in Ton Tann and you like this market, then come here. I haven't seen many other foreigners or phalanges. White people. Ah! Run, run, run away! White people! Which is good. I'm not looking to live with a bunch of other white people. Me is enough. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We just broke the cute scale. Oh my God. Oh man, I have to touch him. Oh, he's got no teeth. That feels weird. Oh, that's really cool though. Oh, sweet Mac. That's about the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. And right next door, rabbits. Wow. Hello. Hello, bunny rabbit. Hello, little bunny rabbit. Hello. Hello, little buddy. Wow. That's the high point of my day. Aside from meeting Ton Tann. That guy's harsh.
Get subscribed.
Those pigs and rabbits, holy cow, wow, that was great, man. I'm an old softie. Nice little pond or a tiny lake. The lotus flowers blooming. Really cool. It actually feels a little bit cooler down by this water. Puppies. Oh my God. Oh, puppies. Oh. Oh, goodness. Oh my gosh. What kind of dog is this? Rottweiler? Oh my God. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. Sweaty cup. Sweaty cup. Oh yeah. So that's going to be a wrap from the Ton Tann Market in downtown Ton Tann. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.